Hi guys, welcome back to Anton's Daily Dose of Videos. Today we are going to be looking at my Rubik's Cube and also some of my Fidgets collection. So, first we have a Ron John Surf Shop keychain 3x3 cube. It's pretty easy to solve. And this is what it looks like up close. It's pretty cool. Next, we have the 3x3. It's a little tiny cube. It's kind of hard to turn though. But this is what it looks like solved. Same cube, except one's solved and one's not. Next, we have this video game 3x3. Next, this is a fidget. It's this fidget spinner. Next, we have the 2x2. Turns pretty good. Then we have the 3x3 Minecraft cube. Pretty easy to turn, but hard to solve. Then we have this cube. It's not even a cube. And it's easy to solve. It's very easy to solve. Next we have a fidget. It's this squishy Eagles football. It's very squishy. You don't even have to solve it because it's not a Rubik's Cube. Then we have a 4x4 that you can never solve, but it turns into a solved 2x2. But there's a secret to it. Once you do this, you can hold it like this and it comes apart and you can make some crazy shapes with it, like this. To put it back together is kind of hard to do, but it was easy for me. Okay, so next we have the color changing black 3x3. Now this is a very easy turning cube, but kind of a hard one to solve because it only shows the colors on the cube from the heat of your hand. Next, the last fidget is a Tamagotchi. Now I picked the chicken, and these buttons down here, there's the select button, the decide button, the cancel button, and the reset button. And it makes sounds. That's the select button. I can select different things. If I press decide, the thing pops up. And it makes a sound. But then, so the things that are on here, there are this little tiny, like bar graph thing. Like it's like this half circle with lines in it and another half circle with a line on it. And if you press on that, it shows this. Press it again, shows this. And then the name that says Eve. So then the next thing is how to feed him. So you can feed him some meat or some cake. Next, there's the toilet. which if he goes to the bathroom, that's how you clean it. Then there's the game. So there's this game where you have to catch the fish and you get gold. And then there's also this space game, and then you get gold. And then there's the shop, which you can get a teddy bear, but I don't have enough gold. Then you could get a bow. I don't have enough gold though. And then the last thing I don't have enough gold for, but it's like this like heart that's flying. The chicken shakes its head. And then there's also this one that I've never tried out before. Oh, these are the things that I guess he doesn't want to do right now, because he's shaking his head right now. Wait, that's a yin-yang sign. Yeah, none of these things he wants to do right now for some reason. But there's a bunch of other things, like there's the games. It just pops up this, and then it's over, but then this is the shot. He shakes its head if she's not sick, but if you see like dots in the air and then a skull, at the top you have to press this because it will give him a shot and then he will feel better. Then there's also this mail thing. So there's this star. I don't know how to use this. There's just a random 2 there. I don't know how to do this. And then there's also a mail. But he won't want to do it, so then there is a book that there's like this key game thing, but if you press this, he's like shaking his head for some reason. Then there's a treasure chest. He won't want to do that. And that's it. And then you can't go to the happy face and the mad face because that's just there for some reason. And if you press the reset button, you can pick a different character, but I still picked the chicken. And that is all of the fidgets that we have for today. Oh wait, I should probably show you guys some more of my fidgets. This is my Orbeez squishy. It has some green and pink beads in there and lots of white Orbeez. It's very cool and squishy. Next we have another squishy thing that's very squishy, but also soft. It is a squishy duck. Next, we have a squishy tiger. Very squishy and soft. And then we have a squishy cow holding a milk bottle. It's very sticky, but also squishy. Next, we have a peach squishy. That has a leaf on it. And there's a dog squishy. Very squishy and soft. And then the last squishy, it is a skeleton. It's very soft, but also kind of slippery. And then there's also this little frog that if you press on the back, it jumps. And also this little tiny rubber ducky. That's a clear see-through one. There's also this fuzzy ball. It's very fuzzy and spiky. And then there's some other fidgets that I will show you another time. But just to let you guys know, there are some pretty cool fidgets that I can show you guys. Like, there might be some fidget spinners, or maybe I'll have some new Rubik's cubes soon. Maybe I'll have a jelly cube. You'll never know until you see the new video. And there's also this little other rubber ducky. It's a scarecrow. Then there's another squishy that is a dinosaur. It's a T-Rex squishy. It's very stretchy and squishy. And that's all we have. That's all the time we have for today, guys. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye. See you guys in part 2 of Fidgets. Bye.